Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Wicked cushions. These are meant to fit Beyerdynamics DT770 Pro. This is the black camel version, but they do all kind of colors, and they're supposed to cool down your ears. And they also give you an installation guide, so you can watch the video. So let's just try and install them. Here we have the DT770 Pro from Beyerdynamics. At the moment I have a different kind of type of really comfortable and the same cooling ear pads. We will remove them. I can see there's no tool included. That could be because it's quite straightforward to do it. I've done it before, but before we do that, let's just have a quick look and see how they look like. So as you can see, this is pleather, and it has a nice camel pattern that will go around the ear cup, and this is how it looks like on the other side. And yeah, that's memory foam. I feel like the ones that I have here, the memory foam, it's a bit better, but we'll see once we'll install it. Maybe it's different. So we'll go ahead and remove this. So what you have to do, you have to make sure this is, you see that pin in there, make sure that's up, otherwise you will restrain it and you could damage it. And then you just go slowly and you just remove it like that. So let's just see if it's that easy to install. Again, make sure that's off, and then you start slowly, but you want to make sure that this is down, so it will look good as well. Then you just push that in like that, and then you just follow the pattern and you insert it slowly. Again, on this other side, make sure that's not in the way, and you just do the same thing, and then you finish it like so. That's the remaining bit, and yeah, there you have it, guys. So I was a bit off with this. Let me just make sure I can rotate it. Yeah, I like it to match. So as you can see, that's the difference. Seems like it has a bit more sponge inside. And let's see if we do it like this now. Yeah, it's still not as soft as this. Look at this. If you do that, it actually stays like that. Where with this one, you press it down and it doesn't. But maybe that's because this is a different material. So yeah, we'll do the other side, and I'll show you how it looks like. So again, we start by removing it slowly. Yeah, trying not to damage it, especially if you have a good one. If yours is already faulty, you see, like when I've tried the first time, I think I've damaged it a bit in there, maybe. So yeah, just be careful with these corners, or whatever you want to call them. So the same thing, you probably want to align this line down. You push that in position, make sure that that's free. If it doesn't work from first time, just be patient and you will succeed. Like you see in here, it's a bit more challenging doing it from this side, but with patience we'll get there. Let's do this other side as well. Oh, stay there. It's a bit tricky with this headphones bracket. I think if that wasn't that complicated, it would have been much easier. Okay, almost there. One single piece left. So let's do that as well. Hopefully it goes. You can rotate it a bit, but then again you have to make sure that here come this is in position finally, and let's just adjust it. Look nice, perfect. And look at this, it actually looks really nice, and then you get that extra comfort and keeps you cool as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys.